Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy that you're here and watching this. It's been a long time since I shared a whole video, and I thought it would be fun to just show you what I got from Seven Hills Crafts. They had summer sale, so I took advantage of that and ordered a couple of things in the middle of July, which I maybe wouldn't have done if it wasn't a sale. So it was fun to just be a little bit spontaneous and just shop the things that you have been wanting to get but have put off. And I also wanted to say thank you so much for all the good response I got on my last video where I created 5 cards with 1 stamp set. It made me so happy to read your comments, and it also made me happy that so many took the time to write the comments and also like the video. So thank you so much. And I will just quickly show you the things I got and maybe talk a little bit of why I did purchase these things. And I don't think this video will be too long because I don't have that many things. So just let's get into it. And this one I actually had to open right away. So this is a congrats die from MFT. I have been wanting this for a while. I think it's a really nice font, and also the size of the die is perfect for filling an A2 sized card when you have it standing. This is a cloud stencil from Newton's Nook. This is probably the first thing I'm purchasing from this company, and I really like the shape of this cloud. And I have been looking at the other stencils that are similar. I know MFT have someone, Samus Stamp has someone, but I really like this one, and that it was a smaller one. I really can see myself use this a lot. And I couldn't help myself. I think this is so beautiful. This is a large stamp set from Waffle Flowers. It's called Zinnia, and I can see myself heat embossing this and doing some messy watercoloring. But the reason I got this is the font. It looks so handwritten, and that is something I really like. I don't think I have anything in my stash that looks like this, and I can see myself use these mainly on masculine cards. So, and since I'm struggling with masculine cards, I think it's perfect to buy stamp sets that has something that could help you with that one. So this is an older stamp set from Alter New. It's a Bill of Flower, and I really like especially this large outlined image. It has the layers, so you can definitely go ahead and layer them, but I will see myself watercoloring and practice my skills of no line watercoloring and pencils, coloring with pencils or Copic markers and stuff like that. So I really like it, and I think this is not the easiest flower to color like that, so I think it will be perfect for like trying out and really getting better on that technique. So here, always with the Build a Flower stamp set from Alter New, there are coordinating dies that you have to purchase together. So this is the coordinating die for this. And this one, I just thought it was such a unique and fun stamp set from Alter New. I just had to go ahead and purchase. This is one of the things that I hold off to purchase because I wasn't sure how I would use them. If you watch my last video, you know I have a rule that I have to use my stamp set for at least 5 times. I hold off because I didn't know if I would be possible for me to create 5 different cards without getting dies and everything. So this will be an experiment. Maybe this is the stamp set I should go ahead and do the next time and make 5 cards with, because this will be a struggle for me to make 5 cards without the dice. Perhaps it's a good inspiration inside of here. I will take a look, but otherwise this is just so pretty. That is why I got it. Breaking my own rules. It's not good. It's not good. Okay, so this is so beautiful. This is a stamp set that I can see myself use a lot, over and over again, and it will be perfect. The sentiments, I love that it had descriptive font together with the more typing font. That is something I really appreciate and like, especially when they are heat embossed in gold. So here you can see a little inspiration, and oh my god, I can see myself use this so much. And then MFT came out with a really... They have so many good things, but I couldn't purchase everything, and I know the new release with all the Halloween stuff. I just know that I'm going to order a lot more from them this month. But I really like these creatures. I have something similar in my stash. I probably put that away now, but I think it was released in February maybe. It was something similar, so I think I can combine these two stamp sets and make a really cute scene. And as far as my rule goes, with 5 cards, I can see myself use this a lot. And just the sentiments themselves, they make it work for me because I just love them. The font and the greetings are perfect. So this is a stamp set that I actually didn't buy for myself. I bought it for my daughter. She has really been enjoying being with me in the craft room and watching me do the videos and the voiceovers and helping me with all the colorings and stuff like that. She's only 2 years old, so it's kind of a struggle to have her in the craft room because it's so much that I don't want her to touch, and there is so much she wants to like play with, and so I'm trying to figure out a balance where she can be in here with me and play along, and at the same time that I can do my things. So I actually bought this for her, and she loved it the minute she saw it. So she actually has opened this one up and played a little with it. She actually just took out all the stamps and put them all over the desk and then put it back like a puzzle. So she's really cute and she really likes this stuff. So I think this will be fun to play with her. And I probably will do some cards with it too, because it's Halloween, as I said, is coming up, and I think I can do some cute cards with this one. But this is an older one, I just wanted to let you know. It's called More Monsters. And then I bought something that was kind of a random thing for me. This is a washi tape from Altenew, and I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. It's nothing I would buy maybe for full price, because I think it's... I don't know actually how I will use this in that many cards. I think I will use it in 5 cards, but can you see how much is on this roll? It's a lot, and I don't know how to use it up. So what I was thinking was maybe I can cut this out and have them like a filler ephemera in my scrapbooking. So that is actually why I got this one. And of course I can do cards with it too, but scrapbooking was the main reason why I purchased this one, because as I said, I have 1 kid and 1 kid on the way. So with my 2 kids coming up, I know that I have to be doing a lot more scrapbooking because I want to document their life, so they have something. And also my daughter and I, we played a little bit with that washi, and the congrats die, I told you I opened that one. So this is a card that we actually created with us. So thank you guys again for watching this video, and thank you so much for watching the previous videos and liking them and subscribing to this channel. If you like this video, you can go ahead and click on the thumbs up button and leave me a comment down below. That would be so fun. And also, it could be fun actually if you would tell me if there is any of these stamp sets that you want me to do a similar video as I did in my previous one, where I created 5 cards with 1 stamp set. So until next time, have a great day. Bye!